Google Agent Space Review. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into Google Agent Space. What is it? How does it work? And how can you use it for your business? Let's get started. Google Agent Space is a powerful platform that integrates AI into your business operations, making your work more efficient. So to start, head to the Google Agent Space website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to create a customized AI agents. These agents are designed to handle specific tasks like customer support, data analysis, and more. The platform uses Google Gemini AI, which is capable of understanding complex tasks and providing solutions based on your company's needs. To create your first agent, click on the Create Agent button and follow the setup instructions. You'll be prompted to choose a business function for your agent like sales or HR. Next, integrate the agent with your existing data sources and workflows, which Google makes easy with their step-by-step guide. Once your agent is set up, monitor its performance with Google's analytics tools and optimize it as needed. This is a great way to streamline operations and make use of AI in your business. And that was a quick overview of Google Agent Space and how to use it. I hope this helps you get started, but don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.